I am vacuuming this rug, and so far, this is what I have picked up out of it. So I'm going to continue. Hopefully I can do this with one hand. Okay, turn it on. You just hear it picking up. How much suction this vacuum has, because she has to like pull.
And the other one you had, it said suction.
But it lost suction. Okay, so now I'm gonna stop recording, because it looks like it's still dirt coming out. So I will return back when I'm vacuuming. I'm talking about it's still sucking up. That is crazy. But anyways, it looks like it's not gonna stop, so I'm about to stop recording. We'll stop vacuuming so I can see what I picked up. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna look at how much you picked up first. Then I will lift up the rug to see how much is under there.
That is a lot.
That is out there one rug.
Now,
That is crazy. Wow.
That is out in one rug.
Okay, now
You might need to flip it over.
if I could get it put back on here. Can't do this with one hand.
You're supposed to go like that.
Okay. Move this out the way. Okay, so now
We're going to flip this over. And look like what's on the other side.
wow. This came out the room.
From right now. But when we vacuum it, it's probably going to be crazy.
Wow.